Would you love to get a high quality output for your Google Meet or other online calls? If you are using the inbuilt camera in your laptop, you might have noticed that your image is rather insipid or bleached and you could do with something better. Today I am going to show you how to use your iPhone or iPad as a webcam in OBS with just the cable that came with it. Welcome back. I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai. These days, I provide online consultations for my orthopedic patients via Google Meet. Visit my website www.drakvenkat.com, that is Dr.A.K.Venkat.com. So while talking to patients, I would love to look good on camera. Why should you use your iPhone or iPad camera for this? Your iPhone or iPad camera are really good and in fact better than some highly recommended earlier webcams. I've got a 4K webcam and I don't have anything to complain about it. The quality of this is excellent, but the previous ones before this, their quality is cannot be matched by the camera of a iPhone or iPad. The iPhone or iPad cameras, they are also infinitely superior to inbuilt webcam in most laptops. They are definitely better than the front facing camera in my Surface laptop. Or if you are teaching online, you might want to project or show off a different view to your students, like if you want to show off your handwriting on a piece of paper, then you would like to have a camera position at an overhead recording position, and that would be your additional recording camera in addition to what your front facing camera is looking at you. So if you have some iPhones or iPads lying at home, then you could put them to good use. I have got two iPads. One is a second generation iPad and a sixth generation iPad, and I will be demonstrating how to use these as a webcam in this tutorial. To pull this off, you need your iPhone or iPad with the connecting cable which I just showed you. Then next, you'll have to download a free software on your computer called OBS. This is free to download and use for streaming, recording and gaming. In your iPad or iPhone, you'll have to download an app from the Apple Play Store. This is a paid app and it costs $16. It is called OBS Camera app. Since I have two iPads, one second generation and another sixth generation, I could use both of them. This app works well in both of them. I will demonstrate this with my sixth generation iPad, which has definitely got a better resolution than my earlier ones. One could use old iPhones as well. You have to first close OBS, and on your laptop you will have to download an extension for OBS called iPhone Camera Plugin. In your browser, type in OBS Camera. So this is the screen which comes up. Here you will be able to download this USB option over here by clicking on it. This will automatically get installed in OBS. When you open your OBS next time, it should be there. So when you have everything ready, we are good to go. Oh, one more thing. You should download iTunes from the Apple Store and connect your laptop to your iPhone. iTunes should recognize your iPad device and it provides some software support. Open OBS in laptop. Open the OBS Camera app in your iPad. The two devices are not connected at this stage. I am going to show you how to do that now. First, I am going to head to my OBS. I'm going to open OBS in my laptop. Now I have OBS opened, and here in sources, I'm going to look for what is available. So here in this list of sources, you can see a video capture device. Beware, don't click on that. Since you're already used to getting a webcam or another camera from this place, from this video capture device, don't go there by old habit. Just scroll down further and you can see another option which has just come up called iOS camera. This was made possible by installing the iOS web camera extension for OBS in the laptop. So now I'm going to connect my laptop with my tablet, that is my iPad, and then we will pull up the camera into OBS. So I'm now connecting it with the laptop. Now I have my iPad wired up to my laptop through the native cable which came up with it. And now I'm going to click on iOS camera. In the iPad, you should open OBS camera. So now I opened the OBS camera and it has come up now. That is the rear facing camera. I am going to change it to the front facing camera, and there you have my iPad functioning as a camera. I can then transform it and make it fit to size, and there we go. Now I am talking to you from my iPad camera. Look at the resolution. It is definitely 1000 times better than a camera in your laptop. You may not have a camera in your desktop at all, and so this is a beautiful camera now. So in this screen you can see that you can adjust the there are options to adjust the zoom. You have to pinch, you can zoom in, zoom out, and then you can adjust the ISO. The ISO is 53 right now. That's too bright, so somewhere there would be fine. Then you can adjust the shutter speed. Now it is at 1 by 30. I can decrease it. One by 60, increase it, or make it 1 by 60. That seems to be fine. After you finish recording or streaming, close your app. If you like this video, share and like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, and press the bell icon after subscribing. Cheers and good health.